Hi, Ghita Andersen here. So I just wanted to have a quick word about something that is coming up a lot in couples counselling at the moment, and it's the dynamic between a couple when one person puts out a bid for connection and says, I want this from you, I need this from you, or it may come across as instead of a bid for connection, it may come across as criticism or a tone or conflict or something like that, and the other person sort of gets defensive, and instead of reading between the lines or being curious about what's going on for the other person or even what the other person needs, they're just sort of like going on the defensive, taking everything personally, feeling attacked, um, having, monkey chatter in their own minds saying, oh, here we go again, I'm being nagged, or I can never do good enough, I'm never good enough. Going in and listening to the interpretation of what the other person is saying. And that's something that happens all the time. So when we do something like an active listening session, we're really doing a process that stops that conflict happening. It really just sort of almost comes back to basic talk. I really feel upset when this or this happens, and the other person is learning to listen with curiosity and understanding, and really create those love maps with another person so they really know more about the other person, and is listening with ears that are not sort of, oh, I'm being criticized here, but to learn and to know more about the other person. And not at any time to feel like there's something wrong with them, but maybe it's just a behavior the other person would like to change, or they need something more from the other person. So it's really good. These skills are really good to learn, and that's something we do a lot in couples therapy. It's amazing how conflict starts, generally, often with our own assumptions about what the other person is saying, and often it's kind of wrong. Anyway, just sort of share that. Bye.